What's going on, guys? Crypto Chris back with another cryptocurrency breakdown video, guys. And as you can see, we have the Litecoin halving in 6 days and 17 hours. What does this mean for price? Is price gonna absolutely moon, or is price gonna absolutely dump, guys? Stay tuned to find out what my views are and what I believe can happen in Litecoin market and cryptocurrency as a whole. And before I jump in this video, guys, I just want to draw your attention to my Telegram, guys. I like to give you guys the choice of my up and coming videos. As you can see, I did an anonymous poll of which video you like to see next, and with 48% was the Litecoin halving in 1 week and what to expect, guys. So if you don't already, follow me on Telegram, guys. I give all my up-to-date trades, analysis, extra, and everything crypto on my Telegram. The link is in the description. And also, I just want to bring your attention to, I did another poll of where you guys think price could be going next for BTC, and 67% have voted for $8,500, guys. Very interesting, and I'll show you guys why I believe this could be where Bitcoin is currently heading. So first of all, let me jump into this, guys, with the Litecoin halving, guys. And before I forget, guys, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Anyway, back into the Litecoin halving. We have the Litecoin halving is happening on 6 days and 17 hours. Exactly, guys, this is a rough estimate because it is done by block. The Litecoin halving is to be done at 1,680,000 block, so we have 3,873 blocks to go before the Litecoin halving happens. What is the Litecoin halving, you might be asking? So I'll just read here what it says. Litecoin halving is the event where the number of generated Litecoin rewards per block will be halved, divided by 2. The total number of Litecoin mined by miners per block will reduce from 25 to 12.5 in the next Litecoin halving. The number of Litecoin found per block will become more scarce, and this halving reward ensures that Litecoin total supply will reach 84 million. So guys, it's very old news by now. Everyone's had this on the radar for the Litecoin halving, and my thoughts on it, it will bring more attention of the scarcity in the cryptocurrency market, in Litecoin, in BTC, where BTC halving will happen next year. It just, because we are still new to crypto, it's very early technology. I think as the years go on and the halving happens and there be less and less supply, people be rushing to get as much as Litecoin, as much BTC as happened before the supply totally finishes. But you might be asking, what impact has this on price? As you can see, the less it's a demand and supply, the less supply increases demand, which should in fact increase price. But I just, for us to find out what actually happened, we need to take it back to the previous Litecoin halving, which happened in 24th of August 2015. And guys, here I have marked out the date with a vertical red line of what exactly happened with the Litecoin price. So as you can see, guys, we had a bull run back in 2014 in Litecoin. Believe it or not, back then it was worth just $3. And what happened? If I get the price range tool out, guys, as you can see, we had an increase of 2,000%, guys. And then price absolutely melted down and we entered a bull market for the next 2 years. As you can see, guys, if I get the date range tool, you can see from price from its highest and then to the lowest, we had roughly about 560 days. But I just want to bring your attention to what happened just before the Litecoin halving, guys. This might look familiar. So we broke out of the accumulation zone, guys, and we had a rise. If I take it from the bottom here, we had another 1,300% rise, and 5 weeks before the Litecoin halving was due to happen, we had a dump in price, and then we re-entered an accumulation zone. But what I want to show you about this new accumulation zone that happened, as you can see, guys, we had this new resistance which turned into new support, and price range for roughly about 560 days before price absolutely skyrocketed, and this was the start of the bull run in Litecoin and crypto as a whole, and price went up to just under $375, guys. So we could be in this stage here, guys. This is why I believe the stage we are here, where we had an increase in price. We had $25 was the bottom in December, and then we had a roughly just under 500% rise before price started climbing all the way back down again, guys. And what some traders and what some people think, that from June, that was the highest that we was going to reach for until the Litecoin halving happened, guys, and that this Litecoin halving was already priced in, guys, and that was the highest we're going to see. But what I want to draw your attention to is this zone here of accumulation, where I think we can find new support. So like I said before here, guys, after the bottom that we had back in April, price rose just before the Litecoin halving, and then we stayed above previous accumulation. So I would like to see price stay above this range to roughly about $60, guys. So it'd be a healthy correction before price can find some kind of support. I mean, don't forget, guys, that was a 500% rise in within 6 months, basically, guys. So that was one hell of a rise in price, guys. And if you caught the bottom back in December, you would have been rewarded very, very handsomely, guys. So I would like price to find this region of support. And also, if I go over to the other Litecoin chart, I just want to show you guys what I mean. I mean, once we broke out of this accumulation zone here, guys, this whole region here was just pure accumulation before we broke out of that resistance here, guys. And I would like price to stay above this region here. And this will coincide with the fib retracement. So we have this zone here of the 0.27 fib, which coincides bang on with pretty much $60, where I like to see price find new support and then consolidate and then start climbing, guys, and then start taking out this previous high of what we saw of $150 odd, guys. And I believe this will coincide with Bitcoin hitting new all-time yearly highs and eventually all-time highs, and we'll see Litecoin absolutely rally like it did back in 2017. So like I said, guys, we had basically we created new support, and then we had this sideways action 560 days, and then, guys, you already know what happened. Price absolutely rocketed to the upside. So short term on Litecoin, I'll expect closer to the date of the halving. I expect price to be very volatile, because you're going to get a lot of people FOMO in, you're going to get a lot of speculation to where price can go, guys. But I believe at the moment, for this time being, the $145, $150 was the recent high for now, and I believe this Litecoin Hive could already be priced in. I mean, this whole action here could already be priced in. So these are the regions I'm looking at. I'm looking for some solid support at $60, guys, with the top end resistance being at $145, guys. And then we have some healthy correction, consolidate, and then we start reaching new all-time highs and yearly highs, etc, etc. And like I said, guys, with the Bitcoin chart, guys, I just want to show you the region I've got, and a lot of price where a lot of traders have got the eyes locked on is roughly $8,500, guys. As you can see, guys, this was previous resistance back in the summer last year. It became new resistance again, and then we briefly broke above it, and then price melted down. So we've got a lot of confluences within this region. And also the CME group, guys, they've trading, they've got a gap that's yet to be filled, and it is $8,500. And also this fib setup that I've got here, so I've got this fib retracement here, guys, from the recent high we had of roughly about $11,000 to the low that we had back down at $9,500, guys. And you can see the 0.27 fib came touched to an absolute T. And if I zoom in into the intraday, you can exactly see what I'm seeing currently. So we broke under this upsloping support, guys, and as soon as we broke down, guys, price has struggled to even retest this trend line, and then we started creating this other upsloping support, and then look, guys, price broke down, retested, and got rejected once again. So that's why in my region, I've got this in my crosshair, I've got this region here of between 8,600 to 8,400. Like I said, we have a lot of confluences why price can reach this level, and it will not surprise me, we'll get a lot of strong buy orders in this region, guys. I mean, this is a region that a lot of traders have currently got a lot of buy orders from looking on social media, etc, etc. And I just want to bring your attention to something I put on my Instagram today about the fear and greed index, which shows you what this current sentiment is in the market. And as you can see, guys, at the moment, sorry guys, I think I've come on the wrong chart, so I've got the crypto fear and greed index. And as you can see, we are on extreme fear. I mean, last month we was extremely greedy, which coincides with this price action, guys, that we had here. So we had this absolutely skyrocket parabolic movement to 1400, and then no surprise, we went to extreme greed. And as you can see, guys, we was round about here, so it was on a 92, and then price is back down at 19, guys. And last time we saw these kind of numbers was back in February, before this mini bull market even started, guys. So that shows you there's a lot of fear. And as you guys know, from when we was in these regions, there was a lot of accumulation, and then before price absolutely rocketed up. So this could be a good time to start dollar cost average in, guys. Start buying your BTC, guys. This is not financial advice, but I'm just saying what this metric has shown us, guys. When we were in these levels of fear and extreme fear, it is a good time to buy, guys. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, guys. Any comments, please leave it in the comment section, guys. And don't forget to follow me on my Telegram for all my up-to-date trades and analysis, guys. I do all my polls, all my up-to-date research is done on my Telegram, and the link is in the description, guys. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video once again, and I'll see you guys on the moon. Crypto Chris over and out.